assist in its apprehension of big-time drug lords. Mga government agencies or offices ang mag-a-assist sa kanila. Number 13. The performance of their duties provided that no previous special permit for such possession shall be required. Papayagan ang mga officers na humawak ng ebidensya. Number 14. Coordinate with the Dangerous Drugs Board or tinatawag na DDB for the facilitations of the insurance of necessary guidelines, rules and regulations for the proper implementation of the ACT. May kisama sa Dangerous Drug Board para madali lumabas ang mga regulations para maayos yung batas. Number 15. Anti-illegal drug drive, which may include the use of the respective personal facilities and resources for a resolute detection and investigation. Kampanya laban sa illegal na droga. Number 16. Submit an annual and periodic reports to the Dangerous Drug Board DDB. Kailangan daw magpasa ng report every year regular. Mandates and function. Number 1. Any national, provincial, or local law enforcement agency o any national, ito ay pambansa siya gaya ng National Bureau of Investigation o NBI. Number 2. The National Drug Control Strategy formulated by the Dangerous Drug Board o tinatawag na DDB. Plano ito para labanan ng mga nagkakalat na droga. Number 3. Recommend to the Department of Justice or tinatawag na DOJ the forfeiture of properties and others as assess of persons or corporations found to be violating the provision of Republic Act number 9165 and in accordance with the pertinent provisions of Anti-Money Laundering Act of 2001. Plano ay number 3. Pigilan na gamitin ang pera galing sa droga. Number 4. Undertake the enforcement of the provisions of Article 2 of Republic Act number 9165 relative to the unlawful acts. Ito ay pagtupad ng batas. Number 5. Administer oath and issues subpoena duces tecum relative to the conduct of investigation involving the violation of Republic Act number 9165. Ito ay magbigay ng patunay sa batas. Number 6. Arrest and apprehend as well as search all violators and seize or confiscate the effects or proceeds of the crimes as provided by law. Ito ay huliin ang tao na gumagawa ng krimen. Number 7. Facilitate action on seize or confiscate drug, thereby hastening their destruction without delay. Dapat magawa agad at mabilis. Number 8. Civil cases for violation of all law on dangerous drug and control, precursors or essential chemicals and other similar controlled substances. Dinadala sa korte na hindi naman kriminal. Number 9. Monitor and if warranted by circumstances in coordination with the Philippine Postal Office or tinatawag na PPO and the Bureau of Customs or tinatawag na BOC, inspect all air cargo packages, parcels, and mails in the Central Post Office or on any other commercial couriers. Ito ay kailangan makitulong sa BOC o tinatawag na Bureau of 9. Monitor and if warranted by circumstances in coordination with the Philippine Postal Office o tinatawag na PPO and the Bureau of Customs o tinatawag na BOC. Inspect all air cargos, packages, parcels, and mail in the Central Post Office or on any other commercial couriers. Kailangan makitulong ang BOC or tinatawag na Bureau of Customs. Conduct eradication programs to destroy wild or illegally ground plants from which dangerous drug may be extracted. Gumagawa ng programa. 11. Supervise all activities against drug abuse in every province, city, municipality, and barangay. Dapat maayos ng tama ang anti-drug campaign. Number 12. Establish and maintain a national drug intelligence system in cooperation with law enforcement agencies, other government agencies, or office and local government unit that will assist in the apprehension of big-time drug lords. Kailangan daw po magstay yung operasyon tulong din po ng pamamahalaan. Number 13. International Drug Control and Administration Agencies and Organization. Mga international agencies. Number 14. Assistance of any departments, bureaus, offices, agencies, or instrumentalities of the government, including government-owned or controlled corporations. Hihingi ng suporta sa mga unit ng government. 15. Require all government and private hospitals, clinics, doctors, dentists, and others practitioners to submit a report to it. Kahit mga hospital o clinic, kailangan magpasa ng ulat nila sa office. Number 16. The issuance of necessary guidelines, rules, and regulations for the proper implementation of Republic Act Number 9165. Dapat maglabas ng mga patakaran. Number 17. File charges and transmit evidence to the proper court authorized or required under existing law as directed by the President of the Philippines. Gagawin ang tungkulin kapag inutos ng presidente ng bansa. Organizational structure. The Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency or tinatawag na PDEA is headed by Director General or DG with the cabinet rank of Undersecretary who is responsible for the general administration and operations of the agency. The Director General Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, DG or PDEA, shall be appointed by the President of the Philippines and shall perform such other duties that may be assigned to him or her. Ang pag-PDEA Director General, dapat siya lahat ang mamamahala sa lahat ng operasyon. Tapos, presidente ang magsasabi ng posisyon niya. Recruitment and selection. The Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency or PDEA maintain its own academy temporarily located at Campaign General Mariano and Castañeda, Silang, Cavite. The Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency Academy or PDAA is headed by a superintendent with the rank of director. May sariling school daw po ang PDEA sa Camp Castañeda sa Cavite. Yun lang po.